I know starting an online business can feel like a huge mountain to climb, especially if you're just starting out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll explore some of the best online businesses you can start as a beginner. So let's get started. Before we dive into the details of business ideas, let's first talk about something super important. One of the things you need to do is figure out what resonates with you. What are your skills? What do you love doing? This isn't just about finding a business. It's about finding the right business for you. Take a moment. Think about what you're naturally good at or what you enjoy doing in your spare time. Are you a creative soul who loves designing? Do you enjoy writing? Or maybe you have a passion for photography. Understanding this will help you pick a business that not only has the potential to succeed, but also makes you happy while doing it. Now that we've got a sense of your skills and passions, let's jump into the juicy part, exploring the best online business ideas for beginners. I've picked out some fantastic options that are not only beginner-friendly, but also packed with potential. I'm going to break each one down so you know exactly what to expect. Let's kick things off with one of my personal favorites, the print-on-demand t-shirt business. Now, if you're someone who loves creating cool designs or has a great sense of humor, this is a golden opportunity for you. Imagine turning your unique artwork into wearable art that people around the world can buy. The best part? It's super affordable to get started. You don't need to invest in inventory, printing machines, or worry about shipping. All you need is a design tool like Canva, which by the way is totally free to start with, and a platform like Teespring or Printful. These platforms will handle the heavy lifting for you, from printing your designs to shipping them directly to your customers. You only pay a small fee per sale, so it's a low-risk way to dip your toes into the e-commerce world. What do you need to get started? A computer, some creativity, and access to Canva or any other design tool you like. Let's talk about selling digital products. If you're someone who loves creating things, whether it's templates, ebooks, planners, or even artwork, this could be your dream business. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and then you can sell them over and over again. The cost to start is pretty low. You'll need a tool like Canva to create your products again. You can start with the free version. You'll need a platform to sell them on. Etsy and Gumroad are popular choices. They're easy to use and have massive audiences looking for exactly what you're selling. The platforms might charge small fees or take a percentage of your sales, but considering the low overhead, it's totally worth it. What's great about selling digital products is that it's all about your creativity and problem-solving skills. Think about what you can offer that solves a problem for your audience. Are you great at organizing? Create a set of printable planners. Are you a graphic designer? Design some social media templates or logos. Once you've got your product, simply upload it to your chosen platform, write a catchy description, and you're ready to sell. Moving on, let's talk about affiliate marketing, a fantastic way to earn money by promoting other people's products. If you already have a blog, YouTube channel, or even a decent social media following, affiliate marketing can be a natural extension of what you're already doing. The good news is that affiliate marketing has a very low barrier to entry. If you already have a website, you're pretty much set. You might need to invest in some basic tools like hosting if you don't already have a website, or an email marketing service. But beyond that, your main investment will be your time. The first step is choosing a niche, something you're passionate about, and that has a lot of products you can promote. You'll need to join affiliate programs that align with your niche. Amazon Associates is one of the most popular, but there are tons of other programs out there depending on your niche. Once you're in, you'll get special links to share in your content. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Now let's talk about Instagram theme pages. If you're someone who loves curating content, whether it's motivational quotes, travel photos, or even funny memes, this could be your ticket to making money on Instagram. Starting an Instagram theme page is practically free. All you need is your phone and a good eye for content. You'll need to pick a theme, something you're passionate about, and that others will find interesting. Once you've got that, start curating content that fits your theme. You can create your own content or repost others with credit. The goal is to build a community of followers who love your content. As your page grows, you can monetize it in various ways, like selling shoutouts, promoting affiliate products, or even selling your own digital products. Let's talk about freelancing. If you've got a skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, social media management, or even something like virtual assistants, freelancing is a fantastic way to turn that skill into a business. Plus, it's one of the fastest ways to start making money online. The cost to start freelancing is super low. If you've already got a computer and the skills, you're good to go. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to start, and they only take a small percentage of your earnings. Create a portfolio showcasing your best work. Don't worry if you don't have client work to show. Create some sample projects to demonstrate your skills. Each of these business ideas has its own unique benefits and challenges, but the common thread is that they're all accessible to beginners. Whether you're looking to build a side hustle or a full-time business, there's something here for everyone. Just remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Whichever path you choose, stay consistent, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.